Here I had CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google account and how to remove it from this device. So first you have to open settings, scroll down and enter account section, then tap add account, then select Google. You will obviously you will need the internet connection to do this. Let's connect to some Wi-Fi network real quick, and then you tap add account, select Google. Next you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Next you have to enter your password. Tap next. Next you have to agree with the Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and for the last thing tap accept here and your account is added. You can also remove it here by selecting option remove account, and that's it. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.